present a project. The problem of this project is how the foreigners can get idea about our Indian currency. The technologies which we use in this project is we used a teachable machine and we used Kaggle for this project. And it works if we show any notes of our Indian currency. It shows the value of that note.
Practical part. If we show the note of our country in front of teachable machine, it show it. If we show 20 rupees note, it show 20 rupees note. Yes, this is teachable machine and this is Kaggle. This is Kaggle where we download the data of our data currency of our country. Now in teachable machine there is option that we can choose data from webcam or file. We choose file. Then we will click choose image from file. Then we will go to test. Now I will show 50 rupees notes. So it will show it is 50 rupees notes. So this is the teachable machine where we can know about notes. So in future we will develop an app like this where we can know about currency of our country. And also blind people can know about currency of our country, like Paytm, PhonePe. It will tell how much value. So we will develop same app in future. In our app they will show the notes, so the app will tell the value of that notes, like 100 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees and 1000 rupees, etc. Advantages: when the foreigners came to our country, they can know about value of notes, and if they use our app, they can know about various notes and other things.
No, vote of thanks. I will thank our team PPS and the Atal in charge Regal sir, and I will thank to our beloved principal give this opportunity to us, and I will thank to the science in charge Atra ma'am. Thank you.